Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Dominique. So this video is a claw clip tutorial, definitely my favorite hairstyle right now. So if you didn't see my last video, I basically did like a silk press type of look. So this is a few days later. My silk press is kind of old and crusty now, and I think this hairstyle is perfect if you have like an old silk press or your hair is blown out. You don't need a flat iron your hair for this, but if you want to, you can, child. I'll probably do a tutorial later on how to do it on like curly hair, but since my hair is straightened, it's easier for me to do sections. I don't need to do so many, it's only 3 sections, and I'm gonna use this Miele edge control that I actually really like. It's lightweight, but it still holds my hair into place. So as you can see, I'm brushing that big part back. Like I said, you don't need to do a lot of sections. If your hair is already straight, your hair should already be flat, and I'm just brushing those 2 front parts down into that back, into that ponytail, and I'm gonna slick my edges down, and the rest is self-explanatory. So this is how my ponytail is looking. So for the actual claw clip, I'm twisting my hair up, and I'm gonna clip the clip into my hair with the ponytail inside. Pretty sure it's simple, you're just clipping it in. And y'all know I like a little razzle dazzle, so I'm gonna take this Aunt Jackie's First Patrol set of mousse that I love. I'm always telling people about this mousse, and I'm gonna just define my little curls in that little puff, and I'm gonna also do the sides and in the back to add a little razzle dazzle. So this is the final look. I really like this hairstyle. Probably going to keep it in until wash day, child. It's cute, simple. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on my socials at Content by Dom, and I'll see y'all in my next video.